Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about inverse Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions in here. So I will put capital A over S, capital B over S plus 1, capital C over s minus 3. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s plus 1, s minus 3. So we multiply in here. About B, it is missing about s and s minus 3. We multiply by s and s minus 3 in here. About this one, it is missing about s and s plus 1. So C multiply by s and s plus 1. And now we need to expand in here. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s square, we have a plus b plus c. About s, we have negative 2a, negative 3b, and c. About the number, we have negative 3a. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We have s square in here. Coefficient of this one, that is about number 1. So a plus b plus c equals to number 1. We have negative number 3. So this one should be equals to negative number 3. And the numbers negative 3a equals to positive number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So A equals to negative 2 over 3, B equals to 3 over 2, C equals to 1 over 6. And now I will put ABC go in here. So A equal to negative number 2 over 3. B, that's about 3 over 2. C is about 1 over 6. And now we have the formula for inverse Laplace transformations. Here is about the transformation in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.